Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make text slide in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, go to the graphics workplace and click the type tool. Click anywhere on your video, preview and type your text. Now go to Effect Control panel. Under text, find the position properly. We will use this to animate the movement. Move the playhead to start off your text clip. Click the stopwatch icon next to position to create your first keyframe. Now drag your text off screen to left or right depending on where you want to slide from. Next, move the playhead on few seconds forward and drag the text back to its normal position on screen. Premiere will automatically create a second keyframe. Now hit play and your text slide in smoothly. And that's how you have created a clean slide in text animation in Premiere Pro. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.